What's up, everybody? It is Sunday today, and I am out riding. And something unfortunate happened yesterday. So remember my throat punch video right here, the idiot drivers, where I talked about that person like speeding over the hill and getting real close to me, and then we got up to the four-way and he like got on the side of me and tried to take my turn, or like did take my turn. Well, yesterday in the car, the same thing happened, so I got it on Dashcam this time. Different guy though. I mean, maybe it was a different vehicle. But yeah, I'll put that video up on the screen. So like, what I didn't get was before this clip had happened, we were going 35, like me and that white car in front of me were going 35 miles an hour in the 35 zone, you know, normal. I look up in the rear view and he is speeding at me. I mean, like, I'm looking in the rear view, I'm like, he's not gonna stop in time, he's gonna hit me. But now he's like slams on his brakes or something and stops like right before, and then continues to like super tailgate me. So this dude is like touching my butt from behind. So I like tap my brakes, I'm like, gotta get off. And when I tap my brakes, he stops. He just straight up stops in the middle of the road. And I'm like, okay, that's a little weird. But like a few seconds go by, it's like right here too. So he like stops right in the middle of the road right here. I'm like, all right, whatever. At least he's not on my butt anymore. So we continue driving a little bit, 35 in a 35 zone. It's all good in the hood. And then right about here, he slowly starts to catch back up to me. I'm like, all right, at least he's not like super speeding and stuff and trying to hit me. But then we get about right here, close to where the video starts, and he's right back on me, like right back on my tail. Like, if I have to brake for anything, he's hitting me, and like that's not okay. So yeah, and then here's where the clip starts, and what you can't hear is me honking at him and some middle finger action going on by the passenger. But yeah, I didn't get to see who it was, and you're welcome to pause the clip, you know, when the plate's in, but I have like the full resolution video and I can't read the plates. I'm pretty sure that's a temp tag and the numbers on it are real small and I can't really see them, so unfortunately that got away. But man, I was so upset like how that keeps happening to me. At least this time partially it was on video. But yeah, I just wanted to share that experience again. Also, side note, the white car in front of me definitely doesn't know how to use a four-way stop. I really hate that, because like I'll pull to the line because they're like way past it, and then it confuses other people about whose turn it is. Like, it's a four-way stop, it's not that hard. I don't know why so many people mess it up so much. Especially around here where everyone goes through that like several times a day. It's not like we don't understand what it is. But I digress. What's on it? But that's all I got for you today. So yeah, hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Actually, I'm probably not gonna post this till like Monday or Tuesday or something, I don't know. But hope you guys have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome month. Not an awesome year, you don't deserve that yet. But I'll catch you guys next time. Always remember, you should learn how to use a four-way stop just in case you ever encounter one, because a lot of people don't, and it'd be really helpful if you learned how to do it before you got there. Peace out, guys.